Hi, this is Pud. I accept Romil Patel's Ice Bucket Challenge. I nominate Adea Resi, James Hong, and Ev Williams.
What's that?
I nominate Biz Stone, Tony Conrad, and Brian Mason.
Do what?
I nominate Jason Goldman, Josh A. Kagan, and Kevin Rose.
What's that? I nominate Eddie Cadell, Johnny Rose, and Mike Mazer. Eddie, get out of here. What's that? I accepted the challenge, I guess, and I nominate my girlfriend Sarah Krause, Abdur Chowdhury, and Glenn McKenna.
You forgot to hit record.